Track 2.30, Unit 7, My Country, Exercise 2. Kuzjebek.
The story of Kuzjebek is one of the most famous in Kazakhstan. It comes from the 16th century. The story's themes of conflict and tragic love are similar to Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. The story tells of Bazarbai, a rich but unhappy man. He had 9 sons, but sadly they all died, and Bazarbai felt lost. Then, when he was already old, Bazarbai's wife had a son. The couple called him Tuligen, and a year or so later they had another son, Sansızbai. Tuligen was handsome. He looked like a prince. He was also determined to do things his way. He heard of a girl called Kuzjebek. People said she looked beautiful and she sounded nice. In fact, Tuligen thought she sounded like the girl he wanted to marry. Very quickly, he started thinking of ways to find her. The girl lived with her family on the banks of the river Akjaik. It was a long way from Tuligen's home, so his mother was worried about his safety on the journey. She begged him not to go, but Tuligen didn't listen to her and set off. Tuligen met Kuzjebek and she fell in love with him. For a while their lives were good, but their happiness didn't last. Tuligen had competition. Another man, Bekejan, was also in love with Kuzjebek, and he challenged Tuligen to a fight. When the two met, Bekejan killed Tuligen, but Bekejan didn't win Kuzjebek's hand in marriage. She was heartbroken after Tuligen's death and tragically killed herself.